5 phrases for promises and resolutions. I really should. I really should start working out. I promise that I'll. I promise that I'll be home on time. I swear I'll. I swear I'll do my homework. No matter what happens, I'm going to. No matter what happens, I'm going to help you. Come hell or high water, I'll. Come hell or high water, I'll finish this project. Check out these other great videos from Ajarn Mieder and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.